welcome to my Jeju Island vlog. Jeju-do has always been the it place that I wanted to go ever since I was little, and now that I'm here, it is just so amazing.
It's so cold.
It's cold noodle.
But this is like extra cold.
The first place we went to right after we landed was a black pork barbecue because we were just so hungry and just craving some barbecue. Maybe I'm just so used to the US like self-serve Korean barbecue restaurants that when I go to Korea, I was so surprised that the servers actually cook the meat for me, which is actually really nice because I always struggle to know whether my meat is cooked or not, and since this is pork, I do not want to mess around with whether it's cooked or still raw. But this was a great meal. It was recommended by a lot of people to try black pork in Jeju, and I highly suggested it. Good morning from Jeju-do. Being in Korea means I got to go to as many cafe and bakery as much as possible.
But I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead.
So crispy on the outside.
I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside.
I made it before. Are you in your like baking phase? I was in my baking era during COVID, and I made it.
You have no idea how many times during COVID that I made this garlic bread, and I loved it so much, and now that I'm actually eating it here in Korea, it's like a dream come true.
Feeling this way
Ice cream.
every minute.
A fun fact about cafe and bakery in Korea is that when you get all of your pastries and go up to the register, they actually are going to take all of your pastry and put in the back while waiting for your drink, and then they give you a ringer to serve everything all together instead of just letting you have your pastry and eat it while you're waiting for the drink.
Makes me wanna be with you for a long time.
Oh, that one's cute. This one is too big. Look, I have a bump.
Like a Three Idiots.
To all my K-drama lovers, you know that in every K-drama there's always like a scene where a girl or a guy eating jajangmyeon and jjampong, and it's always been my dream of going to Korea and doing the same thing. So just know that these clips will contain lots and lots of slurpings.
I need to finish my jajangmyeon. Packaged one at home, it's like when you eat it, around 3 bites, I'm done. Exactly. I don't mind it. I like it. I don't mind it in a way that if there's meat.
off your shoes, 'cause I'm about to get up. Hold on to. That's if you wanted me to be with you. And anytime you're looking right for a moment, well, he doesn't need you. Anytime a moment passes by, a moment by surprise, you're done. 'Cause I don't need a faith in me. Life will be hell to wait for me. I think I need heaven. There is no heaven. Well, my four-leaf clover says it's all over with you.
It's off and then it's on again, but in person, it's never off.
Very bitter.
After being back from Jeju, I personally think Jeju has some of the best and most beautiful cafe in just the entire world. Okay, I haven't been to the entire world, but I just know it's just so beautiful. And nothing compared to drinking your orange juice, eating your pastry, and looking out to the beautiful oceans, the wave, the water, the blue sky, the perfect weather. Chef kiss. Speaking of orange juice, Jeju is filled with these halabong. They're just like sweet orange and they are so yummy. They're tangy but also like super sweet, and there's no seeds, which is really important for me. And I try to drink all these halabong tea and drink while I'm here because I couldn't get it anywhere else. So why not enjoy it while I'm here?
Feels healthy.
문어 요거 가위랑 집게를 잘게 잘라서 요 같이 드셔야 돼요.
Another meal with more pasta noodles, so I guess more slurpings. Another thing I noticed in Jeju was that a lot of restaurants would be kind of in the middle of nowhere. I would say like this restaurant was kind of into this like hilly side roads where it's not like the street. I'll show you a clip of it later, but the driving was Let's just say I would personally not drive if I'm alone, but the interior was really cute and the foods were delicious. Eating this pasta made me feel like a kid because the cream got all over my mouth. But I don't really care because it's so good. But that's it for part 1 of Jeju vlog. Jeju was so amazing and beautiful that I had to break it down or else this vlog would be an hour long. So come back next week for part 2. See ya!
Wow, look at the sky.
Yeah. Gus be on the check. Yeah, 26, 27. What you know?